Nigeria today, people spend billions of naira every month on data, airtime, bill payments, exam pins, and recharge card printing. What if you could tap into this massive market right from your phone and make money every single day? That's what FetchMonie helps you do. FetchMonie is not just a fintech app, it's a business in your hands. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, stay-at-home mom, or just someone looking for a side hustle, you can start selling digital services and earn steady income. With FetchMonie app, you can buy airtime and data at cheaper rates, earn up to 40% cashback, and resell them to others at your own profit margin, and make extra income for yourself. With FetchMonie app, you can start recharge card printing business. You can print MTN, Glow, Airtel recharge cards in bulk, earn up to 3% cashback, package them, and sell to people in your area, shops, schools, offices, or even on the streets. No technical knowledge is needed. With FetchMonie app, you can become a trusted vendor for selling WAEC, NECO and NABTEB result pins for students, schools, and parents, and make extra income for yourself. With FetchMonie app, you can make money by helping people pay electricity bills, cable subscriptions such as DSTV, GOTV, and Startimes, and you can charge a small service fee for your customers. This is a great business idea for students, cyber cafes, and shop owners. With FetchMonie app, you can send bulk SMS for churches, schools, event planners, politicians, or marketers. This service is in high demand, especially during events, product launches, or campaigns. You can create a business where clients pay you to send messages to their contact list, and you keep the profit margin.